We live in the age of misinformation. I muddle through weeds of distraction to deliver the real information they need. If I don't write the truth, then who will? One man against a network of deception. What the fuck?
The Bissell featherweight vacuum was designed with more heart and love than any vacuum ever made.
Fucking bots. In this work, your enemy is the inhuman. The misinformation cyberbot.
This fucking guy again. She lit up every room she walked in. More than you could say sipping on your Dr. Pepper in boxers. Okay, this is getting ridiculous.
A Roomba?